Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use max function in your Google Sheet. So I have a sample dump here which has name, age, city and status. So I'm going to use max for age column. So let's find out equals to max, and then I'm going to select entire range. Close the parenthesis, hit enter. So as you can see, it is showing as 0 because the text here, the numerical values are mentioned or formatted as text format. So I'm going to check whether it is a text format or number format. So is text. I'm going to select only one single cell, close the parenthesis, check. So it's saying true because that is the reason it is not able to check which is the highest value or highest age. So we're going to change that, the format. So I'm going to select all of this. I will go to format, number, and I'll select as automatic. Now you can see earlier the formula was showing as 0, but now you can see it is showing as highest age in this column as 40. So always check if you are getting 0 when you're using max function, whether it is having a text format or number format. So if it is having a text format, please change it to a number format so that your formula can work. So that is it from my end. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in next video.